Very good morning to all of you. Have a nice day. How do you do? Hope you're all doing great. This is our EVS class for grade 1. Today we are going to see the remaining classwork part of lesson 14, World Around Us. World Around Us. As children, we know that our world is full of living and non-living things. This is Earth. We are all living on this Earth. Earth is a planet. Earth is our home. It is round in shape. What is the shape of Earth? Round. Its surface is covered with land and water. The Earth takes 365 days or 1 year to go round the sun. How many days the Earth takes to go round the sun? 365 days. What is this? This is said to be globe. Globe is a model of Earth. Globe is a model of Earth. Our Earth has hills, rivers, mountains, seas, people, animals, birds, and plants. Yes, both living and non-living things. Shall we see the pictures related to that? River, waterfalls, plains, hills, mountain, valley. As children, it is our duty to save our earth. We must take care of our earth. We must plant trees. We must save water. We must keep our surroundings clean. We must not throw waste materials in rivers. Shall we see the classwork part now? Yes. Answer the following. What are the natural sources of light? Sun, moon, stars. What are the natural sources of light? Sun, moon, stars. Natural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural. Sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. Light. L-I-G-H-T. What are the natural sources of light? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Sun, moon, stars. Second question. How many planets are there in the solar system? How many planets are there in the solar system? Answer is there are 8 planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Planets. P-L-A-N-E-T-S. Planets. Solar. S-O-L-A-R. Solar. System. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Next question. What is our earth made up of? Answer is, our earth is made up of land and water. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Made. M-A-D-E. Made. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. What is our earth made up of? Our earth is made up of land and water. Next question. Which is a model of earth? Globe is a model of earth. Model. M-O-D-E-L. Model. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Which is a model of earth? Globe is a model of earth. Next question. Complete the following. Sun rises in the dash. In which direction the sun rises? East. E-A-S-T. East. Next one. Sun sets in the dash. West. W-E-S-T. West. Next one. We see sun during the dash. Day. D-A-Y. Day. Next one. We see moon at dash. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Next one. Earth is dash in shape. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Sun rises in the east. Sun sets in the west. We see sun during the day. We see moon at night. Earth is round in shape. As children, hope you understand today's class. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.